Okay guys, we got another shower to do. For some reason, I'm getting a lot of showers and a lot of shower pans. No big floors to lay. So come on in, let me show you what we got. We protected all the floors with round board. This hardwood is brand new, so we want to make sure we're, protected. We don't want to damage this floor. We did in our carpet area as well. And right now, Dee Dee's gonna put up some protection because we usually create a little bit of dust in the house. So we're gonna plastic that and then put a little, cut in it so we can come in and out. But let me show you the shower we're gonna do. This is basically an 18 by 18 stone that we're gonna take out. And he's having a leak. Originally, we priced just the pan, but he wants to do the whole shower. So we like those jobs. So we're gonna take this out today. DB's gonna handle that for me with Dee Dee. They're gonna try to get it all out today. We're gonna kind of see what kind of wood damage. You never know what kind of damage you're gonna have behind that, especially when you've had leaks. We don't know if this was installed properly and waterproof, but we got a cool way that we do it. When we come in, we like to cut, like sections. You don't wanna take a sledgehammer in here and you just have a mess. What we like to do is use a side grinder, which is a grinder with a 4-inch diamond blade. We'll cut little squares or rectangles and you try to take it out, like with a crowbar in sections. That's the best way, and it's quicker, and there's less, little pieces laying around all in the floor. So we're gonna get this thing out, and once he does that, we're gonna, do all the preparatory stuff as far as the mud bed, the pans. I don't like where the drain is. If you look down here, it's in a bad spot. We may move that over, to center. I would love to put a linear drain in here, which is kind of the new thing, but they're really expensive. Some of them can cost upwards of $300, $400, and the linear drain is what goes at one end. The great thing about linear drains, you can use any size tile on the floor to slope to it because you're sloping from one end to the other. As long as that tile has the right DCOF, which is called a dynamic coefficient of friction. Basically, in simple words, that's slip resistance when wet. Because when you get in here, you don't want to slip. So we use smaller size materials when we pitch to the center of a drain. That's going to be square. It's going to match the fixtures that we got. But these are always tough. This is usually a week and a half job to do it right and to do all the tests that we need. So DB's gonna take it out, and I'm gonna get in here and do my thing, probably start tomorrow, and we're gonna have a really jam up shot. Really excited about it. We're gonna use an 18 by 18 that Dow Tile makes, and it's a porcelain material, and it's kind of got some of the same movement as this in it, but it's a little bit different in color. But the porcelain does not absorb hardly any water. It's a great product. They're harder, and there's not the same maintenance that you're gonna have when you have stone. You gotta keep sealing the stone, and we just don't want to do that. So we recommended a porcelain material, and then we have a matching floor, for the porcelain material, which really makes it great. So, and we're going to try to run the larger tiles on the ceiling. And we have to set that with like a different product. It's really a lightweight mortar because that's pretty heavy when you put a big tile on the ceiling. So we have to be careful and do that. So stick with us. We're going to show you how we knock one of those bad boys out.